Hello everyone, for Antonio Scott goes here at Iralta to try the SkyjetVR, so we'll feel like being on a jetpack, which is my dream as a kid. So let's do it. I'm on this platform, I'm a bit scared.
You must remove the cap.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
You can put it on afterwards, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, so
The belt, okay.
when you've got the headset on, use this to get your focus. Okay.
Okay. So putting on the device.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see the logo in focus.
Wait a second. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah. Okay. I'll put on the headphones.
Okay, now I don't hear anything, just some noise. Then the logo is disappearing, the platform is starting to move. I feel something moving. I'm on a ship and I'm going to launch myself. Okay, and I have to follow some rings. And now it's time to fly. 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to go into the rings. 1, 2. Woo! Woo! I'm going to some rings in the mountains between France and Spain, it seems. There is wind on my face and the platform is moving. Woo! Okay, now I'm going down. There is some music, which is quite fun. And I'm keeping going. Wind on my face, moving my body. The going down part is my favorite. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going really down. Okay. Woo! And now I'm going to another place. That's a drone footage. Before was a CGI environment. The quality is quite nice of the video. Okay. Keeping going to videos. Seeing some mountains from the very close. So the video ended. The platform vibrated. Someone is removing me. Everything from my head. Woo! It was nice.
Like it?
Thank you. Yes, I like it.
Is it nice?
So just try the SkyjetVR thing. You can see in the background. And what I think about it, well, it was pretty nice. I had the sensation of flying with some wind on the face, and the platform was moving a bit, so I could feel my body moving. The drone footage was nice. The CGI environment a bit simple, but classical with these demos. So of course I didn't invest 200K for a demo at UnitedXR. But I have only one critic, which is about, I'm in the industry since 11 years, and I like to do crazy things. And they made the demo, of course, so that it's something doable for everyone, like old people, very kids, newbies to VR experts. So it's very, I would say, relaxing. You fly around, especially in the drone footage. There is this voice telling you about the mountains or the art places that you're seeing, which is pretty nice. But the movement that you feel is always a bit soft. You never have the adrenaline moment where you go full down 90 degrees and you're like, oh fuck, I'm dying. Which is what I like actually, because I'm a crazy guy. So they played it safe, which is the right choice again for an event. But of course, on my side, I would have liked to see a bit more. So it's a bit less exciting for me. But they told me in the roadmap they have already things about improving the wind on the face, making calibrate experience on the user, making it also multiplayer. So it's a work in progress. It's a new product, always iterating. So I would say, but it's nice. I mean, as I said, the quality is good. Also, it's easy the setup. I just had to go and put a safety belt, a headset, and I was done. Seems pretty sturdy, so potentially could be used also in public places. So good solution. It can make you have a good tour, maybe for tourism, and in the future also, I would suggest to them to make it interactive, because the first part was CGI. I was seeing myself go through some rings. That is amazing if I can really decide myself to travel over them, and maybe also the speed and all the rest. So I think it's a promising product. It's nice. Also, the people are very nice there. So I wish them a lot of luck and to continue improving the solution. So I think it's still one of the best things I tried at this UnitedXR Europe. So following Alta and SkyjetVR, I think it's a nice project. And for you, I wish you a good day in VR. Bye-bye.